Hey guys, what's up? Daniel here. Today we're taking a look at the Galaxy S20 in the gray color. Now this is particularly the color that I chose for the S20, which I think might be my favorite one of the bunch. And so let's just go ahead and get into this. Of course, S20 5G, slightly grayed out text because this is the gray one. Just how the blue box here had the slightly blue text, and you can see the difference there. So let's just go ahead and get right into this. Now this is the T-Mobile variant of it. The other ones were unlocked, mainly because I'm on T-Mobile and I got this one from them. And so let's just go ahead and pull out the phone here and flip it around. There we go, gray. Ooh, great. It's much lighter than in the advertising material. In the advertising material, I felt like they were showing a very light gray, but this is a very, very dusky, dark gray, which I really, really like. Very nice color. Let's go ahead and just remove the film here. And there we go. There we go. No need for theatrics. Let's just get right into this. And I don't know why it has that little hole in all of them. And then it's dirty right there. Let's just go ahead and clean that. I really do like this. So of course we have the black model here and the plus model, and you can see the difference there. I really, really like this gray model. I'm sure it still attracts fingerprints, but probably a little bit less than the black model. And it's really dusty here in this one. Wow, I wonder why. It's weird. A lot of these, for example, the blue one came with a slight little dust mark under the protector, and this one's a little dirty. So, interesting. Something's going on there at Samsung, but either way, here we go. Let's go ahead and remove the plastic films around here, hidden here. There we go. That way we can see it perfectly. I forgot to do it on the other ones. There we go. That's one. And let's see the other one. These does have a screen protector built into the device, and you can see it right there. Or you can't, can you? There you go. You can see it around the camera cutout. It's very, very subtle. However, using the other devices, I did notice that I can tell that there's some grain on the screen because of the protectors. And what is that? What is that? Look at that. Look at that. What is that? It's a scratch. I did not scratch it. It came like that. It's the protector though. I think it's the screen protector. And there is only one way to find out. Look at that right there. Do you see that? Interesting. There's some issues here. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the screen protector. Let's just do it. And we're gonna check. All right, is it gone? Yep. It was a screen protector. Good to know. Just gotta check that. And here we go. It's much cleaner without the screen protector. I wanted to do that anyway on my personal phone. So they definitely did scratch the screen protector. And it's a very bad screen protector, honestly. You should get a different screen protector when you get this phone as soon as you can, because this screen protector is just so flimsy and plasticky. This will prevent it from a slight scratch, but if you drop your phone, I highly doubt it's going to protect anything there on the screen. It's just more of as a preventive measure, maybe from manufacturing or when they do that, because look, it scratched it there and there's something there. Either way, let's go ahead and move on. That was enough of that, but very interesting nonetheless. Let's go ahead and see what else is inside the box here. We are going to get, of course, that little thing. Here we open it up. Here we do have a SIM card from T-Mobile, because that's where this is from. Again, the I am losing it. The super fast charging block. We also get a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. It's very standard stuff. I never really pull these out because it's just really standard. We've gotten used to what Samsung gives us. AKG headphones, which again, I always like to reiterate that these are really good headphones that you should use because they're really great. However, this time we're getting USB Type-C headphones because, drum roll please, Samsung got rid of the headphone jack on their main S models. So no more headphone jack. You gotta use an adapter or their Buds Plus or something else. And I'm guessing they did it just because they want to push their Buds Plus models. And those are really great. However, kind of annoying when they do that because they kind of, trash other companies for doing it, and now they're doing it themselves, which I hate, just on pure, principle of the matter. And yeah, I wish they hadn't done that, especially with other companies like Sony proving that you can keep the headphone jack, also do waterproofing, also keep wireless charging, also keep, the latest specs and the best cameras. So yeah, kind of wish they hadn't done that, but let's just move along. For me personally, it's not a huge issue, but it's worth noting they got rid of it because, you know, they were so adamant about having it in previous models. So I did forget to mention that in here there is a little box, and in that box there's just some pamphlets to get started, as well as a SIM eject tool. Nothing particularly special, but let's just go ahead and move all that to the side. And again, let's just focus on the color here because that's what we came to see here and compare. So we got the blue one here. Next to this, the pink one won't be showing up till like tomorrow, so we will see that then. But for now, these are the colors of the S20. The black one only comes in the Plus model and also the Ultra model, so you will have to get that one. And if you hear some ruffling in the back, that is my cat running around with a spring toy. So yeah, you can only get this black one on the Plus or Ultra, which kind of sucks because, I mean, might as well just give it to everyone if you're gonna, instead of just hiding it to the Plus model. But let's go ahead and do the talking test so you can see the color from a distance and gauge how the color looks there. And how the light reflects off of it. I don't know how it looks. Let me see the camera. I can't see the camera. No, I can't really see it. It looks, I like how quiet it looks, honestly. You know, it's not black, obviously, but it looks really good. Let's compare it to the black real quick. You can see the black there. I feel like this one's very nice and quiet and still a very unique color because I don't think there's any phone that's colored like this. This looks really, really nice. I really like it, especially the way that it contrasts with the black camera here. And of course, if we take a closer look at that, we have 3 lenses there, wide, ultra wide, and a zoom in lens. So yeah, we've gotten used to 3 lenses by now. So it looks pretty good though. It overall matches the phone, the design of the phone. It looks nice, definitely a lot nicer than previous year's S models. And here you can see it compared to the square on the S20 Plus, which is a little bit larger to accommodate that time of flight sensor. And I think that's all that's extra on there. Again, a closer look there at the black versus the gray in case you're deciding between the 2 colors. And let's add in the blue in there. I think if you're deciding whether to get pink, you might as well just go for it because that one doesn't really compare to these 2. Yeah, I guess you could be deciding between the pink and gray or the pink and blue, but there will be video comparing the colors. I'll do that because I have all of them anyway, so why not do the video for you guys to help you if any of you are deciding. I don't know. This is my first time comparing colors on Samsung devices, so I don't know if people search this up, but there you go. Those are the colors. I particularly really like this blue one, but the gray one for me is my favorite. It's a nice mix between slightly different color to previous years, also not attracting so many fingerprints like this black model because you can kind of see that there. It is just, ugh, you would have to put a case on it. Talking about cases, why don't we just try real quick some cases on these phones. Feel free to click away if you don't want to see that, but let's just go ahead and take a look at this. So we got this one case here, which is for the regular S20 from Alexar, the folks at mobilefun.co.uk or mobilefun.com. I'll put the link down below in the description. You guys can check them out. They sent it out just to test this out, which is nice of them. So let's go ahead and put this here on the gray one, which is of course the one we're taking a look at here. We can still see some of the fingerprints, but of course if you clean the phone, this gives it a more rugged and easy to grip feel. Slightly thicker, but sometimes some people find the S models to be a little bit too thin anyway. You can see that there. And let's go ahead and put a thin case on the Plus model because that's what I have here. And you guys can see how that looks horrible because it's a see-through case. And of course that's my cat in the background, so please ignore that. And there you go. This would be my least favorite combination out of anything. Just clear with black looks really, really bad, in my opinion at least, because I like to keep it like smudge free, and this really just doesn't do that. So I would get like a matte black case or something like that for this black phone. But yeah guys, that pretty much concludes this video. It's just a quick video showing you guys the colors so that you guys can see and compare it against the gray one that we unboxed in this video. And we'll be making specific color comparisons in the next videos and also unboxing the pink one. So thanks for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye.